Every year on February 5th, Pakistan stands in solidarity with the people of Kashmir, demanding their right to self-determination and right to plebiscite under the auspices of the United Nations. This tradition began in 1990 to support the Kashmiri freedom movement. With Kashmir's special status revoked on August 5, 2019, the struggle has only intensified, making this day even more significant. Pakistan has consistently raised its voice against human rights violations in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir on various international platforms, urging global powers to uphold justice and commitment made to the Kashmiri people. Resolving this conflict isn't about Pakistan and India, it is about regional peace and stability. In today's digital age, we have a role to play. Reshaping the Kashmir narrative is more accessible than ever. Social media and digital activism provide young activists and researchers with powerful tools to counter misinformation and keep Kashmiri in the global conversation and bring global attention to their struggle. The fight for justice is ongoing, but awareness and action can drive change.